Welcome to Total Cleans, a company that promises to clean to your satisfaction. It's a dirty building, in desperate need of a clean? Not a problem for us. Here at Total Cleans, we relish the opportunity to restore a building to its former glory. One of our key focuses is stone restoration. As an exterior cleaning service, we specialise in removing grime and dirt from a building's surface. As you can see here, our team, with the help of a cherry picker, is hard at work. If you have any questions or require our services, please feel free to contact us on our website or on our phone number. Thank you.